Look at how beautiful that card is. Let's go. Leading us into... Hey everyone, Card Chef here. Today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Pokemon Darkness Ablaze Collector's Chest. If you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's the lovely retail box and packaging, walking you through what's included. We have our Charizard artwork on the front, Pikachu on the side, a nice carrying handle with the Pokemon logo and branding, additional product info. You can learn more about this treasure chest that's packed full of Pokemon. All the contents right there on the side as well. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, we have the nice metal chest featuring Charizard and Pikachu on it. We have a really small Pikachu binder. Charizard coin with the Pokemon logo and branding on the back side. Notepad with our 3 included promo cards as well as stickers for those same cards. We also have some Charizard and Pikachu stickers, followed by our online code card, then our Cinderace. Looks nice. We'll look at it from the back side so you can see the print quality. Inteleon, nice hollow. There it is from the back. And then our Rillaboom backside, and our 5 included packs, 2 Sword and Shield packs, 2 Vivid Voltage packs, and 1 Rebel Clash pack. Now let's go ahead, let's open up our packs. First up, we're gonna open our Sword and Shield packs. Maybe we'll get some good luck. First pack magic here. Do our card trick, see what we can pull. Fire Energy, Krabby, Rhyhorn. I love seeing the original Pokemon. Oh, Rhyhorn again, reverse holo, leading us into our non-holo rare. All right, maybe the Lapras artwork will fare better for us for our second and final Sword and Shield pack. What are we gonna get here? Our Fighting Energy. A lot of trainers, a Goldeen. Another Rhyhorn, I'm seeing a pattern here. Choodle. All right, we got our reverse holo non-rare leading us into our rare holo Sandaconda. Now we're gonna open our Vivid Voltage packs. Can we get the Chase Pikachu? The beauty of Pokemon is anything's possible. I'm not holding out any hope, but that would be amazing. Oh, Eevee, I like what I'm seeing. Oh, alt art. Look at how beautiful that card is. Let's go. Leading us into, hey, we'll take it. Nice VMAX, what a pack. That's awesome. All right, our second and final Vivid Voltage pack. Still chasing that Pikachu. Along with everybody else still opening Vivid Voltage, I'm sure. That last pack was amazing, so I'm not holding out too much hope for this one. Another Eevee. But again, anything is possible. All right. Poochyena. Into a V. Talonflame V, we'll take it. And now for our last pack, Magic, our one and only and final pack of the day, Rebel Clash. What are we gonna get in this pack? We will find out. Had some good pulls out of the 5. Electabuzz, Natu. Magmar, that's pretty cool. Ninetales, we have a double rare pack. Ninetales, reverse holo, rare into a colossal rare holo. All right. Here's a look at our quick hits. Up at the top, we have our rare and our holos, as well as our VMAX, alternate art, and V cards. Then in the middle, we have our reverse holo rare and our rare non-holo, followed by our 3 non-rare reverse holos. And don't forget about the 3 cards that are included in every chest. Everybody will get those 3 cards. Not bad for 5 packs. I'm really happy. My favorite one's gonna be the Ninetales. I just think this is a really cool card. I really like the artwork on it. Now it's your turn to let me know, out of the cards that we pulled, which one's your favorite. Go ahead and leave me a comment.